First graders at recess on their new school playground.
I like to play on the playground, go down the mountain slide. There used to be an old playground. I like this new one, it's nice to play here.
This playground is a bright spot in a poor, remote farming village northeast of Moscow. Some of the money to build it came from government grants, some from local businesses, and some came from the village itself. Each household donated a small sum. In a place with many needs, though, this playground fills an important one. It is a place for kids to go, a way to keep the village alive.
Most people wanted it and voted for the playground. And since they voted, they gave their money without any regret, because they knew that there would be something good in the village.
This is a new idea for the people of Korshik. Not only did they buy into the project with their rubles, they agreed, after several meetings, that the playground was a priority. Korshik and other nearby villages submitted 55 projects for funding. 21 got approval.
It has changed lives. Children are more active, they are not hanging about, they are here to play. Parents know where their kids are.
A few towns over, the priorities are different, but the process is the same. Here, villagers voted to spend over 2 million rubles to fix a small stretch of the main road through town. Each of the village's adults gave some money to the new road. Now the road carries buses, farmers taking their vegetables to market, and kids on their way to school.
It has made change for the better, because now buses can run. When the road was old, buses couldn't use it.
Unpaved roads like this turn into impassable mush in the fall and spring. The new projects are part of a World Bank-supported program that relies on local people and local decision-making at all stages to solve local problems.
It's good that people could be flexible in rejecting their ideas and accepting other priorities. And the money is collected by the people. It is very important. It means that people are invested.
It is a new kind of planning, small scale and from the bottom up.
Residents themselves select the project that need to be implemented in their villages. This is their road. They build it themselves. And that's why their attitude is totally different.
Next up for both villages in this isolated part of Russia, back to planning and voting and, local leaders suspect, a push to pave still more roads.